Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village.
Hi, and welcome back to our Crock Pot Cooking Series. Today we're going to be talking about making pizza dip. Now first you're going to start off with about a 30-ounce can of tomato sauce, and you're just going to go ahead and pour that right in our crock pot. And then we're going to take about 16 ounces of sliced pepperoni, which is about half of a package. We're going to throw that right on top of our sauce. Okay. Then we're going to add about 1 package of cream cheese. Get that in there. Then we're going to take about 4 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Now you can do that to taste. I like it a little spicier than most, so I'd recommend about 2 tablespoons. All right, throw that right on there. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and throw on about 12 to 16 ounces of mozzarella right on top, and get a nice generous spread of it. You're going to want to let this cook for about 30 minutes until the cheese is good and melted. And what I like to do is I like to set a little cheese aside until it's about done. Go ahead and cover, set on low. It's going to take about 30 minutes or as long as it takes to have that cheese good and melted. And when you come back after about 30 minutes, go ahead and sprinkle that top layer with a little bit more cheese. Let it sit for about another 5 minutes. Then you're ready to serve.